Okay, so we just worked on the one-step equations examples. Next, we're going to solve the two-step equation examples, which is kind of like a mixture of two components of what we have done. We did the addition, subtractions, multiplication, and division over here. So our two-step equation is going to be a mixture of addition and subtraction, addition and multiplication, subtraction or division. So it can be mix and match of these things. Okay, but we're going to apply the same rules of the PEMDAS, opposite order of operations of PEMDAS. Okay, so if it's addition, we're going to use the subtraction. If it's multiplication, we're going to use division and vice versa. So let's look at the example again. Our goal is to solve for x. We want to isolate our variable x by itself by using reverse order of operations. Okay, so we have 3x plus 2 equal 8. Okay, so in our reverse order of operation, the addition comes first before multiplication. So we need to take care of addition here. Okay, so because we have plus 2, we're going to do the reverse sign, which is minus 2 on both sides. So plus 2 and minus 2 cancel, right? I'll be left with 3 times x. Remember, I talked about that 3 times x, if there's no sign in between, we call it times, equal 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, next we have 3 times x. Remember, the opposite of time is division, so we divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x, equal 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Okay, so again, just like our previous problem, we can plug this x value in our x variable right here and see if our right hand side is equal to left hand side. So 3 times 2, which is 6, 6 plus 2, is that equal to 8? Yes, it is, right? So 2 is the solution of this equation. Next, we have x divided by 3 minus 2 equals 4. Again, this is a two-step problem because we have two things, right? X third and minus 2. And we're trying to isolate the variable x by itself. We're going to use the opposite of the PEMDAS. We have subtraction and division. Since we're going backward, remember this formula backward, okay? Subtraction comes before the division, so we're going to tackle the subtraction first. We have minus 2. The only way to get rid of minus 2 is adding plus 2, adding its opposite, right, on both sides. One is before the equal sign and other is after the equal sign. Okay, then I get x divided by 3 equal 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. It's minus 2 and 2 cancel already. Okay, now remember, this sign means the slash also means division or fraction, right? And we know fraction is division, so we're gonna use opposite of division, which is multiplication. So we're gonna times it by 3 on both sides. Okay, and you can put a little dot, or if you feel like, you can also put parentheses. Okay, again, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x, equal 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Right? And that's my solution. I can go back and check my answer again by plugging in x equals 18. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So our left hand side and right hand side checks out with our solution. So 18 is the solution to this equation. So remember, we started with the one-step equation, right? And then we moved on to the two-step equations, which is a mixture of one-step equations. We still apply the same rule of reverse order of operation. And when we're solving, if there is more than one step equation, we go in the opposite order. So we tackle our subtraction first, then addition, then division, then multiplication, exponent, and parenthesis at the end.
Like, subscribe and follow at Supermath Guru, K4C. And do not forget to practice every day.